cannot wait for you to see this apartment because I cannot wait to find something that I would love. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Candy, and on today's video I'm gonna do a very quick empty apartment tour for you guys. I've taken the longest time. I was hunting because I was not getting what I was looking for, looking and looking different areas, locations, and guys, it's a whole work. Like, it is not as easy as I thought. When I wanted to move out, I thought it is so easy to find an apartment, but nah, it's not. It took me 3 months to get an apartment that meets what I was looking for, and finally guys, I did, and I'm gonna do a very quick empty apartment tour for you guys. I hope you're gonna love it because for me, I'm in love. I can't wait to put my stuff inside this apartment, guys. I can't wait to decorate it with you. I'm so excited. In my mind, I cannot wait. I have good news for you guys, so stay tuned for the next video. If I'm not wrong, I'm bringing you good news, good deals. Your girl got you guys. So let's do a quick empty apartment tour before doing a tour of a complete house. Lift over here. There's a lift. Yeah, where are we going to? Here's the bell, guys, so you can hear it from every room. At a bedroom, it's so loud when people ring. Yeah, lens to see who is knocking at your door. So much security over here. No CCTV everywhere around this building, so security is super tight over here, guys. This is the corridor when you're getting inside the house. When you come straight, hapa kuna living room. It is so wide, guys, so wide. Look at how spacious this is. Spacious, icona lighting, there is natural lighting. Hapa, look at the space, guys. It is so spacious. I like the tiles. Look at the tiles. Modern finishing. Look at the windows. So wide. It is so wide, guys. And also the views. I don't know if I should show you that, but it is so nice. Look at this. Look at this shelves. Hapa kando ya kitchen. It has an open kitchen. So you see the kitchen from here. That is a kitchen. Up in the living room, so that is a kitchen. When you here, you get into the kitchen. Look at the kitchen tiles, guys. Nice. Look at that. And also the storage. It has a lot of storage, guys. Wow. Finishing with mali safi. It has a gas pipe over here. So ukikuja, you put your meko here. Gas iko kwa laundry area, and then you connect your gas. Over here, I think this is the space for the fridge. It's so nice. Look at the storage. So many. Yo awakuni nyima. And this is the sink. The water is plenty over here, guys. The water is plenty. And also look at this sink. So nice, classy. And also one thing I like about the kitchen, it has also natural lighting. Like, you don't need the light during the day. More storage over here. So nice. from the kitchen, there's another door here. This leads you to the laundry room. And this is it, guys. Again, natural lighting everywhere, every corner of this room, guys. There's a sink. Hapa ni kwa kuweka gas, kutumia gas, and also your washing machine and stuff for cleaning. There's this chuma to put kamba ya kuanika nguo. It is so nice. I'm loving this. Everything about this is so nice. The tiles, so nice. When you walk on this side, a sink for washing your hands. Over here, somewhere to put the soap, and also it has a 𝐤𝐤𝐲𝐝 over there. Natural lighting everywhere. I'm loving this. Look at the mirror, kinda huge. I will be taking a lot of selfies over here. So nice. These are for the shower. What the lights, look at this LED 𝐤𝐤𝐲𝐝𝐢 inakupea light nyingi sana. Look at that. When you walk here, there's one extra bathroom for the guests. Here there's not much light, but you can see it is a modern bathroom. So nice. Yeah, and from here, next is bedroom. Look at the doors. So modern, clean, and neat. Look at the design. I also like this shade on the doors. It is so nice. Look at the locks, gold ones. So nice. It looks so classy. Spacious, modern. You can see how spacious this is. Like, I'm so excited because I know I will have a sitting area, and on top of that, my bed will fit everything here. And also I have two closets. I have this one over here, and I have this one over here. Everything is so modern and so nice, guys. Look at the space. Look at the space. Here there's a mirror for the selfies, for everything. I like huge mirrors, and this one over here is doing the work for me, guys. On the main bedroom, there's these things for the hot water light. And look at the tiles. They are different from the living room and the bedroom. They are more dull, and also there's light here, which is nice. This is the toilet. It's a tiny one, but it looks so classy and modern. This sink inside the bathroom is everything for me, guys. Another mirror and another light. It's the mirrors in this house, guys. Another mirror, and the shower area. This is the everything. This is the it for me. Let me show you guys. Look at the bedroom area, guys. They have not yet put this to prevent mud from coming this side, but you can see how big this is. It's just super huge and nice. Yeah, look at that. So nice.